kids were like,
Everyone, let's all get ourselves ready for a very special song number of our birthday celebrates grandchildren.
oh hey there! I'm your fan.
Wala pa?
Oh my god.
We're also show their love
Wow, look at that.
with a very special song number, and to also celebrate their love, the grandchildren prepared a slideshow of their best photos with their grandfather, Ronnie. So sige po, let's have the grandchildren ready. Okay mga kaibigan, isa lang na naman ulit para sa mga apo ni Colonel.
Bro kind of forgot the lyrics. I'm vlogging.